Okay, and this is your diffuser. These are our diffusers. You might have seen in the any office or any malls. These are the things. This is one-way diffuser. Only one side air will come. Here two-way diffuser. Two side air will come. Three-side diffuser. Three-side air will come. Four-side diffuser. Mostly we will use this four-way diffuser. And in where temperature height is more, just like in airports and all, you will find jet diffuser where height is more. And next come your grill. We have spot grill. Spot grill is this one. Continuous grill is it is continuing. The same thing is continuing is your continuous grill. And if you see elevation of the diffuser, here we have neck and face. You will be visible whenever you stand below this false ceiling. You will visible. You will able to see the face. You will not able to see the neck. So neck part ducting will be connecting. All the duct and all will be flexible duct, whatever it is connected here. On top of that, plenum box will be there. From there, it is connected. Okay. Next, ducting. We have rectangular duct, circular duct, square duct, flat ducts. These are the different type of ducting to be used. So now, whenever you start the project, first thing you have to see room boundary. Whenever you start HVAC project, first thing you have to see room boundary. So let me show if room boundary is not done, what is the problem. So here you see first floor. If I go into analyze tab and go for space, okay. What is telling? Space is not in a properly enclosed region. Okay, if I give space, it will tell the same thing because we have not given any room boundary. If you give a room boundary, the space will be limited to this. It will not go beyond that. Okay, let me show you that also. So how to do the room boundary? Inside project browser, lot of option is there, lot of option. Inside project browser, here Revit link is there. Click the plus symbol, double click. Here the window will come. Okay, type properties. Click this room boundary. Next apply. Okay. Now you give the space. Click this space and put it. No error will come. This is second space. Okay. This is another space, third space. Space means a room. One room is called a space. So similarly, we have to, for example, you want to go for zoning. Zoning means all will be used at the same time. For example, office, we have different cabins. The office open at 9 p.m., close at 6:30. So all will be at same zone because zone means all will function at same time. Whereas another example of a school where we have a classroom and we have a office, principal office and common room is there. So there the classroom will be functioning different time and some office like principal, teacher, they will go little late. They will have different time zone. Correct. In that case, all the classroom will be in zone 1 and all the office common room will be in zone 2, different zone. So this timing will be zoning is basically the timing, okay, which the machine will operate. So here for zone 1, the timing is, for example, 10 to 4. Here it is 9 to 6. Okay, like this it will perform. Clear?
Yes.
How you will do the zoning? Zoning, click the zoning, add the space. Here you can add the space, plus symbol. You can add and you finish. So here you can see all the zone. So this is the zone, you can see, right? It is zone 1. If you click it, you will get the zone 1. Okay.
Yes.
So this is basic about that. Now what we will do, I will place some diffuser. In this area we have calculated, okay, around 3000 CFM is required. So this based on the calculation, heat load calculation, we got it 3000 CFM. So what we will do, we'll place the air terminals and see elevation from the level. So if I place it here, it will be placed on the ground. I want to place at the ceiling level. Okay. So just for example, I'll just show you. I just want you to know the difference. I'll place it here. Now I'll make one section here. Go to view. You see here, it is placed here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what I will do, click that, change the level here. And there is no false ceiling here. So what I will do, I'll add one false ceiling. To add the false ceiling, what you have to do, go to architect. Go. Okay. Here we have an option for ceiling, sketch. Click this. Automatic setting in the height 2400. Okay. Apply. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now go to the section and check. So this is the false ceiling level which is given here. Can you see that? So now I'll place the diffuser, this diffuser at same height 2400. Apply. Okay, now we'll see the section. Perfect. This one, which was placed earlier at the floor level, now shifted to the ceiling level. Okay. Okay, now here what is the problem? We are not able to view that because of the view range. So mechanical. Okay, all other thing also you can untake that so that you can see all the details. View range. Apply. Okay. Now in the view range, change that. Make it 3000. Apply. Okay. Now you can see that. Okay. So next, copy that. You can click the copy option. I'm just putting randomly. Here, let me check this yellow color. Pre-selection yellow color I made. No, I'll just make it to some other color. Yeah. So now open the system browser. So how you'll open the system browser? Go to the view tab. Okay, user interface. Here system browser is there, or the option is F9. So here it will have. So here one unassigned is there inside mechanical supply. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So it is not assigned. How much CFM and all. So click that here. Flow is there. You need to change this flow unit to CFM. So how to do that? Go to units. 1 second. UN. Project units. Okay. Drop down HVAC airflow. Here it is liter per second. Change this. Change it to CFM. Okay. Now click this. Click this. So here make this as 500 CFM. Okay. So similarly, I'll copy pipe number. I'll copy and I will align to the grid. Grid false ceiling we have. I'll align with that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm using the align command here from here. Okay. Right. So this is done. So here you can see I have added 5 diffuser in the, here also it is unassigned. In the system browser also you can see it is unassigned. So now what we will do, we'll click this, okay, we'll name something H1, already open in this thing, it will update that one. Now I'll add to the system, add, you can add to the system. There are a lot of ways is there. Okay, one by one we will discuss. Now we'll add. Now equipment selection. We have not added the equipment selection like AHU. We will add the equipment selection. Let me finish and I'll add the equipment. So go to the system, mechanical equipment. Here drop down. You can add the AHU. Okay, you can place at the, this one you can place at the flow level. Right? These are the things. So here you can see 5 air terminal is there of 500 CFM. So now I have added one AHU. So it is taken 2000 CFM, 2500 cm automatically. So now click this, right click. Okay. Or you can edit the, okay, select equipment. So now select this equipment. So it is there in the same system. So you can see it is also in blue color. Now you can create the automatic layout by using different options here. Here network, perimeter, intersection. Okay, like this option will come. Intersection, different option will come. If you do this, a lot of error will come, will not do it. Just we'll see how it is useful. Just for example, this one, this routing, I like it, I can use it. Okay, this one is somewhat okay. But here you'll find a lot of errors. Okay. So for that reason, I'm not doing it. I'm making it Control Z. So manually we will do the ducting. So how we will do manually ducting? Any doubt till now? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. So ducting, click the duct. We'll use meter type duct. Okay. Rectangle, meter, elbow, tab will leave. Tab. Now I'll draw the duct. Okay, and this is the duct. Then I'll use the command called cs create seminal. Okay, now here I want shoe neck, like in the, these are all things we have done. Yeah, so I want this type of thing, shoe neck. So how you will do that? So now we are using duct, rectangular duct, metered elbow / tab we have used, right? So now we will generate this shoe neck connection by loading the family. Okay, what we will load? This junction we will load it from the template. Okay, we will use this M rectangular tab, bevel standard. Click this, go to edit option, again routing preference edit. Here this junction we don't have bevel standard, so what we will do, bevel, we will load family. That option also available here, or you can go to insert tab and load family. So insert family, sorry, load family. Duct, fitting, rectangle, tab. Okay, this one, open. It will take some time to open. Now here in the drop down you can change that. Okay, apply. Okay, now you draw anything, it will be beveled. So now what we will do, create similar and draw this. So you will get the shoe neck. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
We will lock this. Okay, if you lock, okay, then it will not move, else it will move. While anything, if you are doing it, it will move it. Now from here we will take the flexible and will connect. Okay, similar one connection I have done. Similarly you can do it for all other connection. Flexible duct. Okay, now from here we need to see which one we have to connect. This is in the duct. Here the size we have to change it. So what we have to do, we have to make one section and then use it. The view, already we are in view. Different section we have to pick. Okay, so now the benefit you see here, we are in chorus. Okay, for that reason it is looking single. Now another option is there in the modify tab. Okay, trim extend. The shortcut is TR. If I click that, if I click, both will be connected. See here, all the connection is done. So if I see in the 3D view, and you can see complete from AHU it is routed down. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can do the connection how I have did for this to other connection, you can do it. And if you want to add the insulation, click this. Okay, here option is there, add insulation, add insulation. So 25 mm insulation will get it. Okay, so insulation is added, you can see it. Okay, so next insulation is added. These all we have created the systems. Okay, and tagging and small tagging part, how to give the naming. Okay, another thing, just when you see the 3D view, okay, this gray color is coming, right? I want this to be in the blue. So what I will do, inside the project browser, I'll go to the duct or system type, we can go. Duct system, supply, right click, properties. Here material is there. Okay, click that. Okay, create a new material. Okay, appearance, color, you give it blue. Graphics, use the render application. Apply. Okay, apply. Okay, let us see in the 3D. Yeah, in the 3D you can see everything is blue, right? Because it is one system. So why I have done this? So whenever you see in the 3D view, okay, other services will be there, like pipe, for example, fire pipe, that will be red color. So you can easily identify that. Okay, during class detection and all, you can easily identify that. Okay, such thing,
Yes, sir.
how to add the material, that also we learned. Now tagging, go to annotate tab. Here option is there, tag by category. Shortcut is TG. Okay, this sizes it is mentioned, but for example, if I want to write that system type, okay, like supply, okay, so I'll click this, edit family. You can click that, edit label. Now only size is there. I want to add system type, add. Okay, if you want to add the elevation, that also you can add, what elevation it is running, or any other thing like a flow. here option is there, break. If you break it, it will come down. It will be not in the straight line. Apply. Okay. So if I drag this one like this, you'll see size, then system type, then flow, then load into project, overwrite with the existing version and parameter value. So here you can see like this. Okay. Afterwards, we will do it sitting like we don't want to see write everything. SAD, supplier. Okay, we will write in short SAD, supplier, duct and all. So that we'll see in future sessions.